The first item of business in port security is to shut down all of the ports that are not being used. Now, normally I would do that first, but in this case I'm going to wait until later because I want to introduce another command, how to select all of the interfaces before we do that. So right now I'm going to pay attention to FA01, which this PC is plugged into. So let's start up this switch here, go to the command line, and we'll enter enable mode and config T mode. And now I need to be in interface F01. Here I am. So let's go ahead and turn on port security, and we do that with the command switch port security. And you notice there's a dash in the words port security. Okay, I got an error message here. It says command rejected. Fast Ethernet 01 is a dynamic port. Now you will not get this error message in the lab this week. However, the reason this is occurring is because of something we haven't studied yet about dynamic ports. Let's just show you the command to get out of that. I'm going to use the command switch port mode access. This means that rather than learning what type of device is plugged into it, I'm going to make this an access port, which means that some end device like a PC is plugged into it. So now this is statically set as an access port. Again, this is not critical for port security, but it's important to know that it has to be in that mode in order for it to work. So now let's turn on our switch port security. All right, I'll just copy that command and put it back in right here. Hit enter, and this time it's successful.